Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. In this video, I was coming home from Yulee Cars and Coffee, and I rounded the corner onto US 17 and ran right into a train crossing. So I know some of you guys enjoy these videos of trains, so here's another one. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
Who knows all the conspiracy theories? And do you have one of those? Yes. I have one. We have one of those too, my wife and I. And every time we go out to a party and she's there and we end up talking to her, within about 30 to 40 seconds, it turns into what's actually going on behind the scenes.
I love that.
And I go, and it's good for like an hour or so. I'm gonna try it. 855-940 Mark is our number. 855-940-6271. Anyway, that's what we got coming up here. We need two contestants. 855-940.
Hey you! Yeah, you! If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.